What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage, straddling the line. Got a little highway clip here in the Mercury Sable 2005 Mercury Sable Wagon LS with the 3.0 24 valve engine. Well, they call that the duratech or the Vulcan or both or neither. Anyway, yeah, this thing's a great little freeway cruiser. Just cruises right along. One thing I noticed about it versus the Impala, the Impala must have a what is it? A higher, a taller final drive ratio, because at about 80 in the Impala, I was probably turning about 2,500 RPMs, and as you can see, at about I'm going 81 according to the Garmin. We're a little closer to 3, sitting on about 29 and a half maybe, or 29. So I will go ahead and make this statement: this car does not get as good gas mileage as the Impala. The Impala with its 3.9, even though it's a much bigger motor, had that stupid cylinder deactivation, and I'm here to testify it makes a difference. Because, you know, I was consistently getting 22 and a half miles per gallon in my racing up and down of the interstate and the little bit around town traffic I did. So yeah, the Mercury is a little thirstier. I don't know if I have an average yet. 18 miles to the gallon. So yeah. But I have done a little more around the town in this car. But we'll keep an eye on it and see if that improves. 86,857 miles. I'm not sure when the oil was last changed, but I'm going to take her today and get her serviced, get her oil changed. But yeah, anyway, yeah, she's a pretty good freeway cruiser. I will say that she does cruise, like the stability and the just the actual like road feel and the ride of this car is a little bit better than the Impala. The Impala wandered a little bit more on the interstate, you know. This car has a little more, you know, direct, straight ahead. You don't have to make a lot of adjustments in the steering wheel. You can just kind of hold it in one place and it'll just track straight and true, which is kind of nice, which is really nice. Not kind of, but really. So I do enjoy that. Yeah, it's a pretty good little freeway hauler. The Impala, you had to really push on the higher end, which kind of surprises me with that 3.9. And again, that could have everything to do with the gearing. This car, with its shorter top gear, it will accelerate to higher speeds without a downshift much quicker than the Impala did. The Impala always had to downshift, and then it always felt like it was straining. This car never feels like it's like you're, you know, pushing it too hard. It really just, you know, it just kind of glides right along. We're we're doing 90. I was not even trying. So yeah, so pretty cool. Yeah, I'll shut up a minute and we'll just kind of ride. I need a little climate control. Let's get some AC going. It's a little warm this morning. do have a rattle. If you can hear that, it's coming from the tailgate. It's a little bit annoying. I gotta track that down. I gotta figure out what the hell that is, because that drives me nuts. Oh, see, I've been having a little bit of trouble with my cruise control setting. And I just now hit the horn kind of on that side and it worked. I've also had the horn be intermittent. What would cause that? Intermittent horn, intermittent cruise. I got an airbag light on too. Do you think maybe there's a clock? Does the clock spring have something to do with the cruise control and the horn? I don't know. That's a good one to Google, because that sure did just make my cruise come on. Huh. I'll be darned. Well, this video is pushing 10 minutes. So I'll cut you guys loose. Come on over, buddy. I'm going to slow her down a little bit. We're rolling into Chattanooga here, and it looks like it's going to be a rainy day. Good grief. So I'm glad I got the Sable detailed and cleaned this weekend, just in time for the rain on Tuesday. Terrific. Y'all have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe for more Mercury Sable gravy. Drop a comment below. We appreciate you. Y'all have a great day.